Hi, in this video we're going to walk through about how to set up agent websites that share the same IDX account. This is not a website building tutorial. This video focuses specifically on how to configure agent websites to use the same IDX account as the main or brokerage website. We will use this as the main agency website. This is a standard website that includes IDX widgets, like the search tool. When a visitor runs a search, they're taken to an IDX results page that displays the agency's header and footer, along with the search results. Let's look at one of the agent websites. In this case, the agent website has a completely different header and footer. When a user runs a search from the agent site, the goal is for the IDX results page to display that agent's branding, not the agency's, and for any leads generated to be assigned to that specific agent, in this example, Paul Smith. So what do you need to achieve this? You'll need the main agency website, the agent website, and to follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create the wrapper page on the agent website. A wrapper page is just a regular website page like Home, About, or Sellers. This page should include the agent website's header, footer, and the IDX start and stop tags embedded in the page body. That's it. No other content is needed. Step 2. Configure the agent wrapper. Next, copy the URL of the wrapper page you just created. Go to the IDX add-ins portal and open the agent wrapper app. If the site is built on high-level, use the Lead Character Agent Wrapper app. For WordPress, Wix, or other platforms, use the standard Agent Wrapper app. The process is the same. Select the agent. Paste the wrapper page URL. Click Generate and wait for the confirmation. Once generated, copy the code provided. Now go to the IDX Broker dashboard, navigate to Account, Users, Agents, select the agent, and locate the subheader tab. Make sure the visual editor is turned off. Paste the code, and save your changes. That completes step 2. The final step is adding the agent to every IDX-related link or app used on the agent website. For example, in the navigation menu, update IDX search links by appending the agent ID. Do the same for contact pages or any other IDX pages you have in the navigation menu on the homepage. If you're using a search widget, then you need to generate a new one in IDX add-ins. Select the agent in the agent selector. Copy the widget code. Replace the existing widget on the agent site. If the homepage includes saved links like city links, make sure the agent ID is added to each one. You can also find the agent ID on the IDX dashboard by navigating to the Users tab. Save all changes and test the site. Now, when you run a search from the agent website, the IDX results page shows the agent's header and footer. Leads are assigned to the correct agent. Clicking the logo takes you back to the agent website, not the agency site. You may briefly see the main website header flash before the agent header loads. This is normal. And that is it. By following these 3 steps, you will be able to set up agent websites that share the same IDX account. Thanks for watching.